Good day friends, namaskar dosto, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, kaisa kai keem cho? Welcome to my channel, Your Property Explorer, the one-stop shop for all property solutions. Well, I've explored another one today in the heart of Khandala, but before we get to all that, I'd just like to request you guys to like, subscribe and share. That's only if you guys have really loved my videos. Coming back to the property, yes, I'm referring to this plot right behind me at measuring 12 gunthas, approximately 13,000 square feet. It has an old dilapidated structure. I wouldn't call it but a semi one, whatever. Let me just go ahead and give you a first-hand experience of this. Could you just show them the old Khandala road first before we get into it? And thank you so much, my handy cameraman, Vineet. I appreciate you shooting all these lovely videos. Yes, that's the gate. And that's the structure as one can see. You sure can restore it, or if you're looking at this property on a commercial angle, you sure can construct approximately 4 tenements or 4 little bungalows on this on 3 gunthas each, which since Old Khandala Road is one of the most sought after neighborhoods of Lonavala, Khandala, you sure will fetch a good price for it. So yes, this used to be a lawn when the owners used to use, when this was being used by the owners. It was really beautiful, as this area is, as I said, is the most sought after neighborhoods of Lonavala, Khandala. It's only known for its tree cover and the climate over here. Anyways, if you could just turn the camera around and just show them around. There's not much to see actually. Once I say it's Old Khandala Road, it's Old Khandala Road. But yes, and just show them the boundaries of the property. This used to be a lovely veranda where the owners would sit around having their tea in the morning, and as one can see that the stone wall, that's the final boundary of the property. I'm sorry, it's a little jittery out over here. So coming back to the entry, this is in just off Old Khandala Road in one of the bylanes. As you know, the way Old Khandala Road is, it's got plenty of bylanes. So anyways, we're kind of done with this property. For further details, terms, conditions, prices, services, any kind of services related to real estate, whether it's a land transfer, a search report, land registration, a land survey, call me, text me, WhatsApp me. Highly appreciate you guys watching my videos. And until the next time that we meet, all I'd like to say is peace, shalom, shanti, salamat. Yeah, planet definitely needs it. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you so much.